Evaluating algebraic expressions. To evaluate an algebraic expression means to replace the variables with the given values and then simplify the resulting numerical expression. Example 1. Let's say we are asked to evaluate 6a minus 5b plus ab for a is 3 and b is 2. Just replace a by 3 and b by 2. So 6 times 3 minus 5 times 2 plus 3 times 2. According to PEMDAS, let's write it here. Multiply first before subtracting and adding. So 6 times 3, 18. 5 times 2, 10. Plus 3 times 2, 6. Then subtract 10 from 18. So 18 minus 10, 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. Another example. Let us say we are asked to evaluate 7x plus open parenthesis x minus y close parenthesis square minus 2y for x is 6 and y is 4. Just replace x by 6 and y by 4. So this will become 7 times 6 plus 6 minus 4 close parenthesis square minus 2 times 4. According to PEMDAS, this contains because this contains parenthesis and exponent, we have to simplify this first. So 7 times 6 plus 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 square is 4 minus 2 times 4. We have to multiply first before adding and subtracting. So multiply first. 7 times 6 is 42 plus 4 minus 8. We can now add and subtract. 42 plus 4 is 46. Then minus 8. 46 minus 8 is 38. So the answer is 38.